Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the notification settings on your account on Dramawave easy and quickly. So enter the application first, and then as you see here you are on the home page. Now go to the profile section and then go to the notifications. So as you see here you can manage your notifications here. A messaging bottle is drifting this way. So that's it, that's how to find the notification settings easy and quickly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.